Is that where your forks go, Brady?
Good job,
buddy. Is that where they go? Good job. Good job. You're such a good helper. Where does that go? That's right. Good job.
Brady, that is nice work, buddy.
You're such a good helper. Uh-oh. Find the last one of yours. Is that yours or is that Mommy's? Where does it go? Oh, that goes in another drawer.
Come on, buddy. Where does that one go?
That's right, that's where it goes. Yes, we're letting our 16-month-old throw away knives.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Is that your bottle stuff? Where does it go? Does it go right there? Guess so. That one goes back. Yep, you got it.
Good job. Where does this go?
Can you put the cup in the bucket?
Hold on, we got two more.
Oh, sorry.
All done with the silverware.
Okay, where's the snack cups go? Can you go put them in the bucket? Go put them in the bucket.
Good job.
Go put them in the bucket.
No, not there.
All done with that one. Where did they go? Go put them in the bucket, Brady.
Bucket.
Bucket? That's right. Good job. Do you have some more? Oh, one more snack cup. Go put them in the bucket. Okay, we're all done. Can you close it up? Close it up. All done.
That's it, buddy. Good job. Close it up. Okay, close it.
All done.
All done.
Close it up. Yay!